Okay, so you're welcome to another session with me. We want to try this question on polygon. So using two arcs, a perpendicular and one side of length 40 millimeters, we have to construct a regular hexagon and a regular octagon. The regular means that all the angles inside the polygon are of the same value. Okay, so we are going to produce this exact figure you are looking at, and the length of one side is 40 millimeters. So let's quickly do that. Let's use this new sheet for that. So the first thing we have to do is that we have to draw our horizontal. So let's draw horizontal neat one. So we have something like this. Now all we have to do is that we've been told that one side should be, or a side of the polygon should be 40 millimeters. So pick the 40 from our rule. Here is it. Then we mark the 40 over here. So we stand here, do same, but we should use 10 lines for all these. Now we are done with that. The next thing we have to do is that we need to bisect this line. So to bisect the line, we open to more than half of the length of the line. Then we do same here. Then we draw a line through. Am I using a pen for that? We draw a line through the 2 points. Okay, so let's draw a line through the 2 points. Good. Now the next thing we have to do is that we stand over here, we open to, let's call this side A, let's call here B, let's call here C. So we open to A. When we stand at C, we open to A. So with radius AC or radius CA, with radius CA, we mark the arc on the perpendicular we drew. Then we also stand at B, we open to A. So with that radius, we mark here. Now we can call this side D, we can call here E. So what we have to do is that we need to bisect this line DE. So to bisect line DE, we open to more than half of the line DE. So we get this arc here, we have this other arc here. So we stand at this side, get this arc, and then this arc. Then we draw line through that, the 2 points. Okay, so we have something like this. Now what we have to do is that we have to label the first mark we had here as 4. We label this new line we have as 5. We label here as 6. So if you want to draw a 6-sided figure, you stand at 6, then you draw the circle. But I want to draw the 8-sided figure first. So what I have to do is I have to transfer this, my point, that's the point between the 4, 6. I have to transfer that, so transfer that to this side. So here is 4, 5, 6. After 6, here will be 8. I can divide the 6 and the 8 into 2 to get 7. Then here will be 10. Okay, so if you want to draw an 8-sided figure, what you do is that you stand at 8 here, you open to A, open to A, and when you open to it, you have to also pass through B. Then you draw the circle. I have to use faint line to draw the circle because it's not the actual figure we are looking for. Okay, good. Now we need to mark our points on the circle. So in order to mark the points, what we do is that we pick the radius here. We pick line AB, and then we use that as radius. That's line AB. Okay, so we mark here. We stand at this point, we mark this side too. We stand at this point, we mark this side. And then we do same for here. We stand here, we mark. We stand here, we mark. We stand here and then mark as well. Now the next thing we have to do is that we have to join the points. Now joining the point, we have to use a deep line to join the points. So have something like this. Have something like this. We have something like this. Then we also have this one. Then we have this one. Then we have this one too. Then we have this. Then the last one was the original line we drew. So let's count and see whether this is 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 sides. So that's an 8-sided polygon, and it's called an octagon. Now we also need to draw the 6-sided one. So to draw the 6-sided one, the only thing we do is that we stand at number 6. Okay. So we stand at number 6, and then we open to A. Open to either A or B. Then you draw the circle. Use a faint line to draw that circle. Then you pick the radius here, AB. Then you mark 1, you mark 2, stand here 3, you mark 4, then we are done. So we just link the points. So yeah, we have this, we have that, we have this one, we have that one. Now the penultimate, or the second to last one, and now the last one. Okay, I think I've already done the last one because they share the same base. So this is it. So we've drawn an 8-sided figure. The bigger one is the 8-sided figure. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6-sided figure. So if we had wanted to draw a 10-sided figure, then we stand at 10. Okay, we stand at 10. We open to A or B. We draw the circle. Then we mark. Then we just link the points. With this, you can draw 50-sided, any number of sides of figures. So thank you, and we've produced exactly what we have over here. So thank you for your time. You can solve more questions on this, and all the best to you. Thank you. Bye bye.